right, let me give a few words for the rationalization for the existence of tolerances. I understand that there are probably some stewards out there who say, I'm gonna pursue every violation, I'm gonna get every single remedy, no matter how small, for the carriers at my station. And I understand that, but there are reasons why tolerances are a good idea. I'll make them here. Number one, they cut down on clutter. I mean, the time you spend pursuing, you spend arguing about that those 10 clicks of those 10 clicks of availability, or that those 10 clicks of a offer out mandate. That's time you could be spending doing other things. Also, it's a negotiation tool, right? It shows that you're being a reasonable person, right? So if you could say to management, okay, I'm not going to pursue those 15 minutes of availability, or that offer out mandate. It's too small, but at the same time, I would expect that you do not try to discipline carriers for that 15 minutes of unauthorized overtime, right? Where they went over on their own route, or they went over on their own route on overtime, and they didn't call in. And so, you know, I'll be reasonable, and you be reasonable, and we'll all be reasonable, and we'll be professionals, and we'll get this job done. You know, the job of being the Postal Service. So there's a bit of reciprocity there, a bit of, cooperation, and being reasonable. And I think that's a good reason for the existence of tolerances. Now, how high you want to set them, how low you want to set them, that's up to you. But that's my justification for their existence. And I think that's about it. Thanks a lot.